everybody, so we're back with another video, and today we're featuring Tillamook, and they have this new cream cheese veggie spread. So I guess you can get your veggies and your cream cheese, which is super important to you. We're gonna make you a really cool recipe today, and it's called our easy bomb-ass mac and cheese. If you like this, put a shout out down below. Let's get cooking. All right, let's knock this out. So we're gonna use half a stick of butter. So right now we created a roux, butter, flour, equal parts. See, I'm moving it quickly because we have this at 350 degrees or medium high heat, and we gotta keep it moving. So we're gonna add in our milk slowly. This is cold milk. You don't want lump. We want this to slowly incorporate. If you do this all at once, you're gonna get lump and you're gonna have to strain it. Right now we're kind of making like a simple bechamel, which is roux and milk. Bring this up to a gentle boil. You're gonna start to see the steam. That's good. So now it went from kind of milky to now we're thickening up. And again, we're moving it constantly because we don't want things to burn on the bottom. See, it's starting to thicken up. That's what we're looking for. All right, so we're gonna add in our veggie cream cheese. So now we're gonna put about a cup of cheddar cheese. We're using the residual heat to melt everything down. Season in a second. We're gonna throw a little bit of pepper. Now, if you want to keep this color, you can use white pepper, but I don't mind black pepper. Now we're gonna fold in some ingredients. So again, we want to make this healthy, so we're going to add in our veggies, pre-cooked macaroni. We're just going to fold it in. So you want to cook this a little al dente when you pre-cook this. You don't want this to be completely soft because it will cook and absorb some of that liquid, and we don't want that. If you use any kind of pan, we're using a bread loaf pan. Add some flavor, but on top of that, we're going to add some texture because we're going to put this in an oven, 350 for about 20 minutes, so it's nice and golden and melty. All right, so we're pulling this out. It's been resting for about 10 minutes. Look at that. Look at that. Look at it. It is delicious. Got your veggies. You got your cheese. You got your crispy cheese on top. Now it's the most important part of our entire dish, the taste test. How did we do? You know what, Haley? All right. So Haley's going to taste it because she's been working hard in our Fed Cafe. You should check it out. And so this is our mac and cheese. It's hot. Is it good? Mm-hmm. And she's gone. All right, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, share, and comment down below. What's your favorite topping you want to put in your mac and cheese? And Tillamook, you did a good product. Good job, y'all. See you guys later.